humbug. Once, in the middle of nowhere, lived a grouchy Newt named Nathan. Humbug! Nathan lived alone, under a rock, and he preferred it that way. He didn't like anyone to bother him, and no one liked to bother him, except a little Newt who was so kind. His name was Nicholas. "Oh, Mr. Nathan, I have some flies that I got today, and I think you should try them. I made them with special seasonings. I see your tail's showing." "Go away." "Oh, no, I don't think you really mean that." "I do." "Oh, no, you need to try these." "Listen, you little whippersnapper. You just slither on home and quit pestering me." "I think you should try my flies first. I'll tell you what, I'll leave you with my basket, and you can just eat them at your own pleasure." "Go away, little Nicholas." "Okay, but first I'll leave my basket. Goodbye, have a good day." And with that, Nicholas slithered away home. Nathan looked at the basket. Maybe I should give it a try. Oh, not bad. The kid's not a bad cook. And with that, he ate every last fly. And then he decided to slither off to a new place so no one would bother him. "I've got to find a new place to live so Nicholas doesn't bother me." The next day, little Nicholas came by with a basket of crickets. "Oh, Mr. Nathan, yoo-hoo, I see your tail." "What in Newtsville are you doing here?" "Well, it did take me a while to find you in your new place, but I did find you. I guess I'm good at it." "And how annoying." "I brought you some fresh crickets. They're delicious. You should try one." "Go away, Nicholas. Not until you try one." "Oh, all right." "Okay, I tried one." "All right, I'm going to leave you this basket." "Okay, have a great day." That kid is so annoying. But Nathan took a little more nibble. They are pretty good. I must say, he's a pretty good cook. And with that, he ate all the crickets and went to a new place so that Nicholas wouldn't bother him. The next day, little Nicholas brought a whole basket of spicy worms. "Oh, Mr. Nathan, I'm here with a fresh basket of spicy worms. My mama taught me how to season them, and they're quite delicious." "Go away." No, you need to try one. Has anyone ever told you you're annoying?" "Well, you have a couple of times, but that's okay. Don't you ever get lonely, never talking to anybody, except for rocks? You know how I've heard you talk to rocks and bushes." "I do not." "Do too." "Do not." "Do too." "Oh, humbug." "Listen, I will leave my basket, and you can just have them at your own pleasure. And I will be a friend for the both of us. Go away." "Okay, here's your basket. Goodbye." Not bad. The next day, little Nicholas found Nathan at his old spot. "Oh, yoo-hoo, Mr. Nathan, I brought something really special today." "Oh, humbug, let me guess. Crickets, flies, worms." "Oh, no, I brought peppered spiders." "What?" "Oh, my mama used to make those. Those are my favorite." "Oh, let me try them. They're delicious." And guess what? Nicholas and Nathan ate the whole basket together and became great friends. And Nathan was never lonely again.
Hi guys! So today our letter is N, but we say as in noodles, or as in night. This is a little This is a big mm.
Oh, hello there, Ellie here. Okay, so today we are going to practice writing the little for a newt. They're kind of like a lizard, okay? And so on the top section, we have a little which only takes up one space, okay? So we'll get a darker marker so you can see it. You start at the cherry. You go down the slide, up and over toward the honey line. Okay, let's give it a try. Start at the dot, go down, up and over toward the honey line. Start at the cherry, down, up and over. Okay, good job. Okay, now we're going to do a big Okay, so here's our big for like a big newt. Ooh, remember, they're like lizards. Okay, now on this one, I'm going to have you start at the cherry and go down and climb right back up like you did before, and then go down a slide and then straight back up. Yeah, so it's an easy transition. Okay, so get your dark marker, start at the cherry, and go down and up, and then down a slide and up. Okay, and down, trace back up, down the slide and up, and down and up, trace down the slide and up. There you go. Good job. Voila. For noodles. Little big Hi guys, Jerome here. Okay, so I have something that starts with a Okay, it's my for notebook. Assistant, open please. Okay, so in my notebook, I have drawn a picture of a narwhal. Okay, zoom in. Yeah, I did it in pen the other day. I like art. It's really fun. Okay, you can shout that. Ellie! Ellie's got something too for a I'm not sure what it is. She was looking for around everywhere. Hello there. Okay, you have this on your face. For nose. See my nose? Ha ha ha. Jerome, you have a nose too. Oh yeah, it's here. Okay? All right. You guys have noses too. For noses. Bye-bye. Hi guys, Jerome here. Okay, we are going to do some letter art. Yeah, I love art. Okay, so we have our little for little newt. And newts are kind of like little lizards. This is for newt. Okay, here's our little newt. This was, I think his name was Nathan from our story. Okay, hi there, little newt. Okay, you may go away or stay a little bit. Okay, and here's our little illustration that we're going to do. Okay, you can see the little N, which says okay, always say the sound way more than the letter name, okay? Okay, so you can kind of see it. It's kind of hidden. And it's got a little face on there. Yeah, so it looks kind of cute. Okay, so this is what we're doing. This is my inspiration. We'll set that up there and get a darker marker than yellow. I put a honey line here So let's not use yellow because it's hard to see. Okay, so we're gonna draw an N, okay, an N. Okay, we're starting here. We go down the slide, up again, and back over toward the honey line, okay? Okay, so start, go down, go back up, and over. Yeah, that's going toward the honey line. Good job. Okay, now we're gonna thicken it. Okay, we're gonna make another line, go down, and go over, and around, and down. Good. Now, we can make a little tail. So go up, and then just loop that around, join. Okay, there you go. And then we're going to move this aside, please. Okay, we're gonna loop our head toward the honey line. So start there, loop over this way. There you go. Nice big head. That looks good. And a circle for the eye. Nice and big. And then start on that line and just make a kind of a half circle and a dot in each eye. And a little half smile. Okay, nice. Maybe 2 little dots for the nose. Okay. And then we're going to put a little arm here. 1 potato, 2 potato, and maybe some fingers. There you go. Okay, now, it's got some crazy little legs there. Can you see that? Kind of curving this way and that way. We're going to add those. Okay, so we got a little curve, double curve. Yep, and a little foot. A little toe in the middle. And then one behind the tail. Yeah, there you go. Okay, great. Now you can color it green. You know, with your marker, you can make it really cool. You can put some spots on it. You know, like Nathan, the Newt. He's kind of cool. He's very colorful. Okay, so you can color it however you want. Okay, guys, time to review. All right, I got my fancy cards on top and just the little boring letters on the bottom. All right, now I got O for llama, J for jaguar, and N for newt. You know, like that little lizard. Okay. You know how I do it. I start off slow, and then I go faster and faster. Okay, here we go. Ja, ja, faster. Ja, faster. Ja, faster. Ja, faster. Ja, Jerome. Oh, yeah, Ellie. I'm trying to read. Oh, sorry, Ellie. Gotta go. Bye, guys.
For necktie. For necktie.
Hi, guys. I got a surprise for Ellie. You remember our letter for the day? Well, I made a noodle necklace. I'll show you. I'll be back in a second. Okay, here it is. If you want to make one of these, they're really fun. You just have to get the noodles that are straight and not curly. And you can get someone to help you with the needle and thread. I use embroidery thread. Oh, Ellie! Ellie, I got a surprise for you. Close your eyes. Okay, Jerome. I'm closing my eyes. Okay, don't peeking. I'm not peeking, Jerome. Okay. Oh, you gotta put your arms down. Oh, look, Ellie, look what I made for you. Oh, Jerome, I love noodle necklaces. Oh, they're my favorite. That's because you're my best friend, Ellie. Thanks, Jerome.